The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Betway Premiership Match Day 23 for Kaizer Chiefs. Remember, they still have a game in hand. Others are on 24 games so far this season. This season. Ka 2025-2026. Kaizer Chiefs get namhlanje zibetheleke relegation threatened iMagis. Kamanqa kwamane kwelinye junior. Khanyisa Mayo scoring, there was Silva scoring, there was Wandile Duba scoring, there was also 2 assists for the right back, what's his name, Junior? Frosler scored, he gave 2 assists namhlanje. He had a wonderful game. You remember, he came in as a second half sub for Tabiso Munyane and had 2 assists. Something we hardly see from defenders, but now namhlanje he put up his hand and said, hey, I'm ready to finish this season. Kaizer Chiefs winner a 5th straight Betway Premiership game in a row for the first time this season, and for the first time in a very long time, Junior. But Kaizer Chiefs are 3rd on the log, and they are making sure they are collecting points.
Shane, kunjani mfana?
I'm okay.
Shop my brother.
Hola.
Ngibulise wena Shane, ngibulise Justice, ngibulise Nkululeko.
Hola.
Ngibulise uBubu. Ngibulise uTsofilakazi. Bafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, Shane. I think it's been a very well done to Chiefs.
Yeah.
Especially winning 5 games in a row. Remember, it's easy.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, as we show after a while, as coming at this season, years and years. You understand? Chiefs win 3 games, they lose 3 games, or they lose 4, they lose 5. They lose 3, they win 3, and then they draw 3. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs, especially Zandla. But the sad truth is, as we never as coming game, Shane. I mean, who they playing against? As Ivar today. Who they were playing against today? For them scoring 4 goals. As whenever, honestly speaking, in my case, they are themselves to play. A technical team. It is one well done for them finishing. I mean, opponent by generally just killed them
off. Yeah.
Yeah, well done. I think it's in first goal. I think the game was a very scrappy game. First half, as first 20 minutes, first 10 minutes, a very scrappy game. I think it took individual brilliance from this guy Silva.
Yeah.
Good first touch, awareness, good technique. And nokuthi ipali alimove umchita good finish and like nokuthi angalishaya straight lepo la ngabhekanga ipali. You understand, looking to another side. Well done to him, good goal from him. I think wonderful goal, honestly. Benga expectanga from him. Ngoba kusamela ngiprove mina uSilva ziningi into engizibone ngaye kusamela ngiprove, but le namhla compliment the goal. Well done to him. And goal number 2, I think era ka goalkeeper. Corner kick. I don't understand. Uchipeza is experienced goalkeeper. Wafuna ukubamba le bola mawuqeda uchayisana neteammate yakho. That's poor from Chipezeze, honestly mfethu. Mina nje mangiba nevar kuwa very very poor from Chipezeze. Uyalapayana ku 6 area bola la ku 6 area ufuna ukulibamba ngezandla kunama teammate yakho phambi kwakho.
And it's wet.
It's wet. Punch the ball. Shaya ibhola wena une advantage labantu laba basebenzisa izandla wena shaya le bola. Shaya ibhola ngencindi. Unfortunately bola Dawela kutuba, good finish from Mfana, good technique, power behind the ball. I think it was a goal. First half, honestly, both teams, I think defenders can complement Abona. I'm not too sure coach's instruction is because of Gumans, but they can't falter the ground. Because Magumans, if first touch good, Ipola Lambang speed. No one touch right now. Both teams, they struggle the combination play. Both teams. Kaizer Chiefs and in my case, they struggle the combination play. My case, one high school mistakes. High school mistake. That's why they conceded 20 minutes. They were lead by Kaizer Chiefs 2-0. High school mistakes. Upegi defense yabo. It's a pity lo mfana mfukeng a defender who set up in a wrong. Mfukeng Manyama. Chekoba Sonyama, but set up in a wrong fit. It's a pity. The boy, one of the best, brightest talent. He's playing with the raw talent.
I think they'll still be high.
Yeah, it's a boy. Umbonuta developing a bit. He's got a natural talent, the boy. If I can say, if you can get a proper coaching, this boy. kube surrounding people that will complement him, because in order for you don't need to be coached sometimes kuphela. You need to be coached properly, also get a partner that will complement him.
Be surrounded by good players.
We
be in a
understand.
good
Somebody
environment.
say ungalishaya ngivelile lethela umfana dlale than ukuthi aliphampe. Now the boy is a leader at the back at his age. Look how composed he is. Look, also to show ukuthi we lead ukorile this guy today. You understand? Beautiful goal. You understand? And he has tried, in fact. How many times he put his head on the block and say, Mina, I will cover for it defense. I mean, in the midfield, they look lost, honestly. The Kaizer Chiefs, honestly, team, they're playing so many long balls. But goal number 2. I think the ball pumped there. And then there was a flick from this guy, Oliepo. I think goal number 1. And bam, goal. Njoba ngisho compliment to Silva. Goal number 2 is set piece. Not combination play side in labo. So enough, much better from Chiefs energy. Not to say they play beautiful, Shane. The energy level compared to Imakesi, much better from Kaizer Chiefs because there was movement of the ball. Lot of movement of the ball. In movement, they were so buzzing. In a movement, like the movement better from because he came to the party in terms of the movement because the energy into Besifuna. Not to say they played better, but the energy level. I think Coach Kulmen Abutin Lalangati, you already won the league. And then in the Kaizer Chiefs, I think it's best for them if they're playing without any trophy. Ababi under pressure. Mabadlala is good as winning next. Because now they're playing for number 3. Number 3, we had just heard Guti. I think I found out last week, if not mistaken, Guti, they're not going to play KEF. So now it's best. I think their players by us.
You mean they're not going to play Champions League?
That's what I'm saying, Champions League, yes.
Yeah, okay.
All I'm saying to you, I go crazy if Badlali number 3 because it seems as if Badlali has something on the table. I think Baba under pressure, whereby they make so many mistakes. Now they relaxed. But this thing, Gucci, we're playing for number 3. We're not gonna compete with whoever. And well done for them for that because also now Baba pick by chart to okay. As the leading expert, we're going to win our remaining games. And well done to that. But truly speaking, I think when they play for something, Mabadlalela, for instance, position 2, position 1, or fighting for a net bank or champion 8, I can say calling. Baba under pressure. I don't understand. Players, they can't play under pressure. I'm a player of the Kaizer Chiefs. But none other than that, they deserve to win this game more than Marquez because, I mean, they play with DTC players and Mississippi Championship players and Kulmangabu Chik. How they defend is poor and fit. I mean, true. Mabazo Choli team is over shot 10. But Choli Pirates or they get Sundowns, you'll get 10.
Hey, Junior, we watched team number 16, Namhlanje. Last week, Wednesday, we watched team number 12 against team number 2. That was Pirates and Richards Bay. And you could see Richards Bay, they were fighting, Bafunus Bona, Belola Mhlame Bos, Bakabel La relegation playoffs. And you could see by performance, they wanted to win. But Namhlanje, you saw team number 16 playing against team number 3. But that team number 16, did it show Uguti they want to avoid la position, they want to avoid relegation this season? Or do you think body language namhlanje ubona players afuna ukulwa okanye ubona players ezinikezela ukuthi okay, let's just finish off the season and go to NFD next season?
A lot of things that are happening here. You can tell the body language. 1, body language. Secondly, how many coaches they've changed here? 3. John Matuka, Papizo Chwane. What's another coach? Owen Takam was there.
Owen, yeah.
3 coaches.
This is the 4th coach now.
This is the 4th coach. What does it tell you? The body language of players. Why they don't sign quality players? Okay, Udlulile is 6 months after June. Sign players quality 3, 4, 5. Quality play. Okay, mangithi quality sign experienced players. Okay, ngeke uthola ama free agent most quality play, but there are better players. Bebanganceda lama inexperienced players that they've got. I mean, the same lineup that took them there with their position. Basadlala ngayo. And there's nothing improved here. Going forward, they're not a threat. Defending poor, disjointed. Honestly, tactically, I mean the team, there's no structure in the team. Upege lineup here, Upege on the bench. Who can you put and say is going to change the game? Mangqala ngale 11. Now you are fighting for the relegation. Honestly, just kuphelula Shane. I think Chiefs deserve to win this game. Honestly, ngoba they're playing against poor side, very, very poor side. I mean, if I can be, how many shots on target in Kulma? Ile chance this guy aphumile. It's a pit job angisho this boy Mfokeng. I singling him out. Yeah.
Yeah.
This boy Spaniel Mbona, very good player. It's a pity umfana. He's a striker. You need to wait for something ezovela from midfield. He can't go and fetch. Ayiveli. So, but mangampeka runs off the ball, ubreakile kayi-1. It's a pity naye lapha bekumele finish. That's for me. Uthatha isikhathi kakhulu, but a very good striker. Ama-runs wakhe, I think ngimbonile first 10 minutes. You can see ukuthi the guy, he can give them something once he can get people abangamcompliment. But nje Shane, ukukutshela nje iqiniso, they deserve to lose ngale score. And well done to Chiefs. Ngicela uba compliment the second half also ngisasho. The energy level much better from them. Into Chiefs ekumele improve. Kumele bamanage ama-game Shane. Mawupithe abantu 4 kanje, just abatraine. Let's build the confidence. Certain players ngikhuluma ngabo Mdu, Abu Duba. Can we move the ball around? Mabuye as well. Come and touch the ball. Izan Mdu as well. Izan zo touch the ball, I want touch shooter. Lengo just train so that man is train and dlali behind them and go another goal. Ama goal azozela. Mar mani foster one way. Indlala nge-speed one way, you make so many mistakes. Ayibe mnandi, but truly speaking, I think they deserve to win this game because of a level, energy, about the commitment compared to this team. I don't think this team was committed compared to Kaizer Chiefs.
Junior, normally iqahla ngokwenza interview yaza lokuthiwa i-eye contact.
Yeah.
Sidla ngojongana thina sobabini sincokolele football. But I can't blame you namhlanje because imehla lakho elinintsi lingapha on that screen and ukudlala UEFA Champions League. Real Madrid are leading by 3-2. I can't blame you. That's what do you call a quarter final. Abawinileyo dlala semi-final. So I can't blame you, Junior, for ukuthi focus kakhulu phakula team. That's the most successful team in Germany, and that's the other one is the most successful team in Spain. So I can't blame you. Great football edlala ngapha eSpain, but asikho seSpain thina sibe eMzantsi Afrika, and eMzantsi Afrika namhlanje Kaizer Chiefs winning ngamanqaku amane kwelinye ibethela ke iMagesi at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium. From myself and Junior Kanye, thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
All abafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.